Graphical representation of SHE. So here we have to see two cases. One particle starting from mean position and another one particle starting from extreme position. So first part we will see, that is mean position. So as the particle start from mean position, so in figure 5.6 towards phi equal to 0, so I will show you this figure also. Okay, see here figure 5.6. So phi equal to 0, displacement x is equal to a sine omega t. Now if you put the values of t and theta, you will get that values. So I will show you all these values. Now x is equal to a sine omega t. Now theta equal to 0, t equal to 0, then what? X is equal to a sine 0, so it will be 0 again. It will be 0. So x equal to 0. Now take next value pi by 2, that is what? T by 4. Okay, so if you see here t by 4 nothing but your pi by 2. Okay, so what is its value? Sine 90, that will be what? 1. So it will be a only. So if you see toward this displacement diagram, it will be at positive extreme a. Then next pi, what it will be? Okay, so sine pi will be 0, so again it will be at 0, so that is at t by 2 point. If you see towards this graph, so 0, then plus a, then again 0, so which will be at t by 2. Then about 3 pi by 2. Okay, sine 3 pi by 2, it will be what? Minus 1. So again it will be 3t by 4, which is at minus a. And then theta equal to 2 pi, that is sine 2 pi will be 0. So sine 2 pi will be 0, again it will be at t. So if you see this diagram, 0, then t by 4, then t by 2, then 3t by 4, then t, it will be one complete cycle. Okay, so after every t, okay, this cycle will be repeat. Okay, see in this box, theta equal to again 5 pi by 2, again you will get value of a. Now similarly you can consider for it velocity also. So what about velocity? About velocity, it will be v is equal to a cos omega t. Now again consider omega t, that t equal to 0. What is cos 0? It will be 1, so v equal to 1. So if you see here v equal to 1, that is only plus a omega. Is it? V equal to plus a omega. Now again second, theta equal to what? Pi by 2, that is what? Cos 90. Cos 90 will be 0. So cos 90 will be 0 means what? See this t by 4 will be the value here. T by 4 will be the value. And then next pi, cos pi will be minus 1, so it will be minus a omega. So here again minus a omega, which will be at t by 2. And then 3 pi by 2, that will be again 0. Okay, so it will be again at this 0 point, that is 3t by 4. And last one, that is theta equal to 2 pi. So what is cos 2 pi? Again it will be plus 1, so it will be only v is equal to a omega. So here v is equal to a omega plus a omega, so which will be at t. So again after every t, okay, this cycle will be repeat. Similarly for acceleration also. Again acceleration is what? A equal to minus a omega square sine omega t. Again you have to use here a initially theta equal to 0. What is sine 0? Sine 0 is nothing but a 0. So again it will be 0. So it will start this graph at 0 point, that will be at mean position, it will be start. Is it? Then again theta equal to pi by 2, then it will be what? Sine 90. Sine 90 will be 1, so it will be minus a omega square. So look at here, minus a omega square. So it will start from negative extreme. If you see toward displacement, it will be positive extreme plus a, and about minus a omega square, it will be negative extreme, it will be at. Now again here you can consider next, that is theta equal to what? Pi value. So it will be what? 0, because sine 0 is 0, so whole thing will be 0. So this point will be at t by 2. Okay, again if you consider all these value, 3 pi by 2, it will be a omega square, and for 2 pi it will be 0. So one complete cycle will be there, that is t by 2, okay, 0, t by 2, t by 4, and 3 t by 4, and t. So every t it will complete one cycle. And again if you consider next angle, okay, that is theta equal to pi by 5 pi by 2, again it will be minus a omega square. So in this way here you can see that, okay, variation of displacement with time, first graph, then variation of velocity with time, and then variation of acceleration with time. Again you can see the conclusion from this graph is that, okay, which is a very common thing to both the graph, means both the graph means what? Which both the graph? For mean position and for extreme position. So see this, displacement, velocity, and acceleration of SHM are periodic function. So if you consider all these are periodic function, because it will be what? 0, 90, 180, 270, and 360. So that we call it as a periodic functions of time. Then displacement time curve and acceleration time curve are sine curve. So if you see here, this displacement curve, it will start from origin O. It will start from origin O, and acceleration curve will start from origin O. Okay, but just difference is that after origin, displacement curve will go towards the positive extreme, and after origin, acceleration curve will go to the negative extreme. That is, displacement it will be at plus a, and about acceleration it will be at minus a omega square. So these are sine curve, both the curves are sine curve because it starts from mean position. Now what about second? Velocity time curve is a cosine curve. Velocity means what? This second graph B, variation of velocity with time, that is what? Cosine curve. Means it will start from extreme position, that is plus a omega. So these are conversion. Again, there is a phase difference of pi by 2 radian between displacement and velocity. Now see, displacement and velocity. Now if you see toward these 2 points, displacement start from mean position and velocity will start from extreme position. So what is the angle between them? That will be pi by 2. So that phase difference between them is what? Pi by 2. Means shortly which we can say that velocity at positive extreme, displacement at mean extreme. So angle between them is what? 90 degree. So phase difference is what? Pi by 2. Then phase difference between velocity and acceleration, that is also what? Pi by 2. If you see about velocity, it will be plus a omega. Acceleration, it will be mean position. So both the term which are at phase 90 degree, that is what? Pi by 2. And one more thing, phase difference between displacement and acceleration. Displacement and acceleration, see that graph A and graph C, phase difference between them is what? Pi degree. Because when we will see about first extreme position, which it will be at 90 degree positive, and here it will be at 90 degree but which is at negative. So phase difference between them is what? Pi is phase difference, which is what 90 plus 90, which will be a 180. Fine. So these are conclusions. Now if you see about next, that is about particle performing SHM from extreme position. So what will happen about extreme position? Here we have to consider angle is what, pi by 2. So displacement, that is what, x is equal to a sin omega t plus pi by 2, that is a cos omega t, and velocity dx by dt. So if you take derivative of displacement, you will get minus a omega cos minus a omega sin omega t. And what about acceleration? Acceleration is nothing but double derivative of velocity. So d by dt of this term will be what, minus a omega square cos omega t. Again here we have to apply theta equal to angles and t equal to that value. If you consider t equal to 0, okay, x will be what is cos 0? It will be 1. Okay, so answer will be what, x is equal to a, and it will be at plus extreme. See, if you notice this, it will be at plus extreme. Okay, 0, that is plus extreme. Is it? Now again you can consider for theta equal to pi, that is t equal to t by 4. So what is cos pi? Okay, here if you see displacement x, cos pi will be what? Again you can consider it will be 0. So x is equal to what? It will be 0. Now 3 pi by 2. Okay, 3 equal to what? 3 pi by 2. It will be what again? Minus. So x is equal to what? Minus a. Then you have to consider 2 pi. Cos 2 pi will be what again? 0. Okay. So again if you see this, x is equal to what? 0. And if you consider theta equal to 5 pi by 2, it will be what? Plus 1. So it will be x is equal to a. So in this way you can notice this first diagram, that is displacement curve. It will start from positive extreme plus a, then 0, then minus a, then again 0, and then it will go to the plus a. So after every t it will complete one cycle. Okay, so similarly you can calculate it for velocity also. What is velocity? Velocity is nothing but what? Minus a omega sin omega t. Again you have to put value of t is what? 0. We have to put, okay, that is angle 90. Okay, what is sin 90 here? Okay, so if you put that value, v equal to minus a omega sin omega t. So if you put value of sin 90, okay, so it will be what? Okay, v equal to 0. Then minus a omega for second. So you have to put value of pi. So it will be 0. Okay, so similarly you will get value 0 minus a omega, 0 a omega, 0. You will get same values. Okay, and in this way you will get this graph. 0, see this velocity curve from second graph, that is b. So 0, 90, 180, then 270 and 360, it will be t. Okay, similarly you can see for it acceleration minus a omega square cos omega t. Again if you see, it will be 90. Okay, cos 90 will be 1. Okay, cos 90 will be 0, so you will get 0 values. Okay, similarly you will take all these values, so you will get minus a omega square, 0, a omega square, and 0, all these values, so you will get curve 3. Fine. So again we can show same conclusion. Okay, so displacement, velocity and acceleration are periodic functions of time. Again here I will tell you displacement and acceleration are cosine curve, but velocity is what? Sine curve. It will start from mean position. Now again acceleration and velocity phase difference is 90 degree. Velocity and displacement phase difference is what? 90 degree. But phase difference between displacement and velocity is what? 180 degree. Because in displacement it will be at plus a, and acceleration it will be at minus a omega square. So which is at plus 90 degree. okay, and one more is at minus 90 degree. So 90 plus 90, it will be what? 180 degree. So there is a phase difference between velocity, acceleration and displacement is 180 degree. Remaining phase difference are what? Pi degree, pi by 2 degree. Velocity, displacement pi by 2, acceleration, velocity pi by 2, but acceleration and displacement are at pi degree, that is 180 degree. Fine. Okay, thank you.